Hi everyone, it's Josh from Miles Away here. Today's final My Model Railway Collection video today is of Sonic models, and as you can see I only got one I have, which is this fairy van, and it is a great model. It is. I bought this last year at the very last Wall-E show at the NEC, and I bought it from, I think it was Locomotion Models. It was. They had a stand because these are sold at Locomotion Models and Rails of Sheffield, but I think Locomotion Models were acting on behalf of Rails of Sheffield. I think they were at the show, and I was like, why not? I had the money, and why not get it? Because I love the box and the logo, as you can see. It's a very cool looking box, it is. Nice colours as well. Doesn't make it dull or anything. And in the future I do want to get more Sonic models, wagons, and if they ever do like locos and coaches. I think they're doing N-Gage for Sonic models, but that's it. And what else is there to say but a very nice looking wagon and box. And it is, I think it's quite cheap as well, like 35 or something quid or 40 quid or something like that. And I do want to get more, as I said, in the coming years. And I'm going to leave the video there. I hope you enjoyed this final video of 2024 as well, because tomorrow is New Year's Eve, and I want to say Happy New Year's Eve for you tomorrow, and also Happy New Year the day after tomorrow. So this is the last ever 2024 video, and what a way to end it with Sonic models as the last My Model Railway Collection video. So keep an eye out on my community tab for like what's happening for me in 2025. It's going to be a very great year, it will be. So keep an eye out for what I will be doing for 2025. And if you are new around here, smash that subscribe button down below and click the bell for all notifications, everyone. And also like this video and share this video so everyone will know that I have uploaded my videos. And I will see you all in 2025. See you everyone. Bye.